in Sarovar is how do we take our food to a more contemporary, to a more creative level? How do we, in some manner, get away from our over-dependence on buffets and buffet setups? I know it's convenient, both from a cost point of view and from a service point of view, but how do we get away from this to have scenarios where people in a town or a city say, must go to this Sarovar Hotel because so-and-so and the food is exceptional? Can we create in each city 2, 3, 4 dishes that people in the city come to us to eat, and that are the best that we do in that town or city? We need to move away from the paradigm, from the perspective, from the boundaries that we set ourselves 10, 20, 30 years ago. Food is an ever-changing landscape. It's highly competitive. There is an extreme amount of creativity out there. Even low-cost carriers are displaying that creativity. Whether it be in communication or the packaging or the presentation or the food itself. We need to come on board. All of you are the people, are the torchbearers that are going to take us forward. And you really need to come together with your mind, with your heart and your soul, and look at what we can do in bringing in those specials that are going to elevate food in Sarovar to a level that's not been seen before.
We are having this chef's meet of Sarovar Hotels in Park Plaza, Zirakpur. Object of having this chef's meet is to share the latest trends and technology in food and beverage and culinary arts. We emphasize more on brand standards. So this has been a refresher course for all our chefs on brand standards. A food gully, which we will be launching very soon. There were a lot of inputs which were given to all the chefs. A lot of exchange of ideas among all of our chefs.
Cooking is all about people. Food possibly is the only thing that unites people together. Whatever culture you come from, background, ethnicity, everyone eats food together. Keeping this in mind, we at Sarovar give a lot of importance to the way we deliver food to our esteemed guests. Our emphasis has always been on high on quality, high on plating. We've ensured that the breakfast experiences at our hotels are phenomenally very good. For that, we had a very recently set up a chefs meet across India, where we had chefs from our various brands together. Corporate chefs. It was an amalgamation of course classroom setup plus a lot of practicalities in terms of cooking of food. Various guest experiences were shared amongst the chefs who had assembled. We ensure that breakfast is a very important meal for any guest who stays with us. We have very highly standardized breakfast across our brands of Hotels, Porticos, Premiers, Golden Tulips. We ensure that what we deliver is the best in class.
Mustard.